This is chicken tinga, and it will be the easiest big flavor dinner you make all week. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with the full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making chicken tinga, tinga de pollo. Fun fact, tinga is not from the border. It's a dish that originated in Puebla. When you make this, you're cooking a dish that's over 140 years old. You can find the full recipe and ingredients at TexMexAtHome.com. All right, let's make it happen. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. For today, we will need 1 pound of chicken cooked and shredded, 5 ripe tomatoes whole, 1 onion cut into at least 4 pieces, 3 cloves of garlic whole, 5 chipotle peppers in adobo, 1 teaspoon of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt divided, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Let's start with the chicken. Boil it until it's tender and pulls apart easily, then shred it. While it's still warm, mix a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper so the chicken absorbs your seasoning better. Set it aside for now. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. Now let's keep going. Now for the flavor. We're going to tatemar or char our veggies on a dry comal or skillet over medium heat. Lay down your tomatoes and onion, no oil here. Let them char for about 10 minutes, turning them ever so often until the skins are blistered and blackened in spots. Now we make our sauce to cook the chicken in. We add everything to the blender, your charred tomatoes, onions, garlic, the chipotles in adobo, teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Blend until smooth. Chipotle peppers aren't a different type of pepper. They're simply jalapenos that have been left on a plant until they ripen all the way to deep red. Then they're smoke dried. Now add your teaspoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Then pour in that blended salsa carefully. It likes to splatter. Bring your shredded chicken into the pan and stir until every strand is coated in that red salsa. Turn the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 minutes so the chicken soaks up all the flavor. And there you have it, easy and delicious chicken tinga. You can serve it in warm corn tortillas with a squeeze of lime or spoon it over crunchy tostadas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now it's time to try it. Delicioso. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.